All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a stuffed chicken breast wrapped in bacon, and we're going to do it on my Traeger smoker. So first process is I hammered down the chicken breasts, and then I'm going to season them with salt and pepper, put a little bit of cheese in there. I have a butter and broccoli mixture that I'll put inside there, and then we'll lay it on the bacon. We will bacon wrap it, and then we're going to cook it on the Traeger at about 375 for about an hour. Hopefully she's done. She'll be delicious, and that is the process for that. So let's get this started. So inside the chicken breast, I'm literally just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper, and should be easy enough. And then on the outside, we're going to season it with the Traeger chicken rub. Simple enough to do. Don't need a lot salt and pepper because the Traeger rub does have quite a bit. Pepper, I like pepper, so we're going to go a little heavier on the pepper on the inside of the chicken. It's kind of my spice. Simple, delicious. All right, that should be it. I've got the cheese down. We'll put the mixture in, and then we'll wrap these bad boys up. Best we can, obviously. Probably made them too full, but that's never a problem in my house. Awesome. So that in the sink, and then we will have a little bit of fun here. All right, let's wrap this first one up a little bit. Best we can, anyways. Obviously, it doesn't have to be beautiful as long as it tastes good. If you want to tuck in one side, if you've got some extra pieces, that's fine. And then we'll take it over. We'll lay it as such. And then actually, I'd rather have it like that. All right, so get in there, broccoli. Beautiful. We are just going to layer it as such. Wrap this bad boy up. As tight as you can, obviously. It'll just hold better when it's on the grill. And then bring the end piece over, and this piece over here. And that is one and done, and we're good to go to the grill with that guy. So it's that easy. It's not a hard situation, and then what I'll do is I'll actually season the outside of this with the Traeger chicken rub. So we'll open that bad boy up. Apply our seasoning to the outside of this. So the bacon's going to give it lots of moisture, lots of flavor. Don't need a lot of this. And there we are. Breast number one is done. Let's get ready for number two. We're going to do the exact same process. So 4 across and 2 the other direction. To be honest with you, can you ever have too much bacon? Not me. Beautiful. 2 more slabs. All right. Well, that's a sad excuse for a piece of bacon, but that's okay. It's just for wrapping anyways, so. Okay, let's wrap this guy up here real quick. This one, I tried to hammer it out, could not get it kind of where I wanted it, but that is okay. I said once it's all wrapped, it's all good. This one is kind of a disaster. The chicken breast is a little too small to wrap, but it's not going to stop me. All right, let's start on this side this time. Let's go here. All right. Turn that off, put that back with the rest of the bacon there. Perfect. Stuff that back in there. And this side. Up the top. And this one as well. Like that. Pull it all together. And now we'll season it same as the other one. And we basically are ready for the grill. So I'll go turn on the Traeger. You can use everything you want, smoker, barbecue, whatever you want. I prefer my Traeger. And then we'll go at 375 degrees for approximately, like I said, about an hour. We'll check. But you want to get it nice and warm and cook it all the way through because it is chicken. So we'll see you at the grill. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the chicken breasts and we're going to throw them on the grill for about an hour. We'll run it between 350, 375. We're almost there. We're at just about 40. So we'll get them on there real quick here. All right. Perfect. And we'll see them in about an hour. I'll come check on them at about a half-hour point and just make sure everything's all good. Cool. All right. So we're just going to quickly sauce them up a little bit. Just for the last couple minutes. They are looking good though. Pretty well done. All right. I'll put a little bit of sauce on each one. You don't want to put this on too early for the simple fact that obviously it's sugary and we don't want it to burn on there. A little bit of caramelization on top is kind of nice though, so add a little bit of depth of flavor in there. All right, we'll let this cook for approximately 2-3 minutes and they're coming off. Right on. All right, so let's slice into one of these and see what we got. All righty. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Perfect. Right on, and she's a done deal. Hope you guys enjoyed.